Silver H1 time frame, first it came down, then it made the sideways correction like a frag pattern, then it came down again. Since this one is H1 time frame, you cannot know clearly why it is coming down and why it is making a new lower low. And if this level also break, then how low it can go, where this trend started and where it going. Since H1 time frame always give us limited information, so we will go to monthly time frame. Since this is monthly time frame and this is next chart, still not everything clear, but when you draw the support and resistance and fib retracement level, everything become clear. It made this all-time high, came down, and it has made almost 50% retracement during coronavirus bullish trend. So if this downtrend is still active, then it can make a new lower low. And our first support is this $13 price level. Since this is horizontal support and in past it has been tested many times in 1983, then 2006 during coronavirus. So this is a strong horizontal support. If Fed do much aggressive rate hike due to inflation, then it can break lower and it cannot stop before it retests the $13 price level. So this is a monthly support and it is strong support. So all of the seller must be targeting for this level. And if Fed monetary policy change and it bounce from that level, then upside target will be 21. Since this level has been break, upside retracement can retest this 21 level, but below 21 it is bearish and downside risk is this $30 level. If bullish trend come, then first we have to wait this level, the clear breakout, then you can buy on retest, but it will take time, maybe next year, because no big change in coming in Fed monetary policy until November or December. And this is Fed QT driven trend and it is bearish. So on monthly time frame, it is in the middle of the support and resistance. Either it goes up as a correction or goes down. So if you have buying entry near 21 or you are still in loss, then calculate your risk based on this $13 level. And this is weekly time frame, and if we draw few retracement from coronavirus bottom $11 to this top $30, then price has made 61% retracement, and right now it is trading near this horizontal support level. First time it shows a support there and went up, but this came back. So if new low come, the next target will be 78% retracement. But when you go to daily time frame and draw Elliott wave counting, then everything become clear. First it went up on Fed coronavirus monetary policy, which is QE, and increasing money supply. So all the inflation has asset went up. So this was double top like gold did. Since then it is making lower low, lower high. On daily time frame it has a clear downtrend. So our wave counting start from Feb 21. First it made this leading diagonal chart pattern ABCDE in wave W. Then it made correction as a flat correction ABC, which is extension for wave X, which made exactly 61% retracement. And this was the time when gold made double top at all time high, but silver made double top early. Then this crazy bear market in precious metal gold and silver started, and right now we are in wave Y. And if we draw fib extension for wave Y in comparison to wave W, then wave Y has done it 100% projection at $18. And last time it made a support with multiple daily candlestick, then went up, but it found resistance on this previous low like gold, and now it is back. It has made a new lower low. White gold is still trading below that previous low. The gold and silver responds to same fundamental news, but these two things, Bitcoin and silver, responds faster than gold to same news. Since this 100% projection level has been broken, and if this bearish trend does not stop, then next target will be 38% projection at $14 level. And if you focus on your larger degree wave, then this is simply wave W, then wave X correction, and right now we are in wave Y. So this 100% projection has gone, and next target is 38% projection. And even if that level also breaks and market crash on big rate hike and market crash return like March 2020 during coronavirus, then during margin call and market crash, it can even go up to 61% projection level, because right now we are in wave Y, and wave Y has not given a clear reversal signal, because it is making lower low, lower high. It has not made a higher high. Once it make its first higher high when previous resistance break, then that will be first sign that wave Y has been ended. And if we draw Elliott wave count for especially wave Y, then we have wave 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, then this is wave 5. And wave 5 can be a ending diagonal chart pattern, and if that happen, then first it can go up, then came down again, retest lower trend line, then reversal come, because ending diagonal chart pattern give a clear sign before trend actually reverse. Like here we got, because this was clear leading diagonal, and this is can be a ending diagonal, but for that we have to wait. So on daily time frame, until silver breaks this level $20, you cannot say it is bullish. It is technically bearish. and below that level you just wait for correction, and correction can be zigzag or chart pattern, then sell at retracement. But for the bulls you have to wait for clear breakout of this $20 price level, then you can buy retracement or retest. But and if your entry is near $26 and you are in loss, then you have to wait and you have to manage your risk, because monthly target is $13. So this was the wave count for silver on daily time frame, and this is based on candlestick chart. And if you see this wave count clearly, then we have this falling V chart pattern. It is not clear on candlestick chart, but when you switch to line chart, then everything is clear. Then you can see we have this yellow chart pattern, the expanding triangle pattern, wave W, then sideways correction, wave X, then wave Y, and this Y wave can test lower trend line. So if this lower trend line retest and price show some rejection on this line chart daily time frame, then you can expect a trend is over, because it tested upper trend line 3 times and this would be third test of lower trend line. And if we switch back to candlestick chart, then this is same chart pattern, and as a bulls wait for retest of this lower trend line, and if this trend line retest and show some rejection, then this can be early sign of bullish trend reversal. But first we have to wait for a test, and this trend line has been tested 3 times, and this will be fourth attempt on candlestick chart. And bullish momentum will start when this $20 price level will break. Till then it can make a sideways correction, then retest during FOMC, which is in the end of the month, or in November FOMC, when Fed will change his tone for his monetary policy. But this lower trend line is your dynamic support, and this horizontal support has now become resistance, and this is your static resistance $20.